Like most mantises, it can hardly fly. Attack is the best form of defense. The lizard freezes in shock. The mantis takes full advantage. It may not inject any venom like the ants, but its jaws are fearsome weapons. The lizard, stupefied with pain, believes it can still shake off its attacker. Anything that moves is fair game. It sets to work without a moment's delay. In a few hours, the lizard will be a mere skeleton. The contrast could hardly be more extreme. Deadly attacking force coupled with an insatiable appetite, cloaked in deception. The praying mantis, femme fatale of the insect world.